Hello. I just wanted to come on here and say hi to everybody. I think maybe I need to do these little videos a little bit more often. I'm getting ready to go to my graduation for the business accelerator that I've been doing, and I just got done filming this. I am wearing Bliss from Tressallure in the color Dark Amber HL, and I just did a little tutorial on how I make it look sort of natural, how I make it my own. This is a monotop, so you can kind of set it any way that you want. And I think a lot of times people see reviews and they think you just plopped it on your head and it looked amazing, okay? So I filmed a little tutorial on how I make it look my own. And one of the things that I do is I sort of clip this back, I wet it down, and I let it dry so that this would go back away from my face. I also use the Tia Maria Wigs blending kit that I have for powder. So what are a couple things that you do to your wigs to make them your own, to make them look natural? Like, what are some things? Put that down below. Okay, bye.